Okay, so before I start the chapter one, I would like to uh, I would like to tell you once again about the introduction of the course, the syllabus, and then the caring policy and the requirement you need to take notes. And I will just jump into the grading policy, the most important thing that you need to be pay attention. You need to pay attention. Okay. So total there will be 5 assignments. Okay, for you to complete before the final term week. Okay, and then since it's a distance course, there will be 4 topic discussions for you to complete as well. And this all four, no, these assignments and topic discussions will be due before the final term exam. Okay, and the lecture video completion will also contribute to your grade as much as 10%. So please make sure you watch all the lecture video. Okay. And then for midterm exam and final exam will be contribute 20%. Okay. It's quite hard. And the final topic presentation is the highest one. So you have 30%. Okay, 30% to contribute to your final grade. Okay, I will explain one by one. For the assignments, there will be quiz. Okay, it's a quiz type. Okay, and all the quizzes need to be complete before the final term week. So I already give you quite long period to complete the assignment. So I will not accept any late submission. Okay, sorry. I will not accept any late submissions. Okay. And then for the topics, there will be 4 topics that will be in the discussion forum. And for you need to be completed as well. And the lecture video completion, it's a mandatory for you to watch because, this is a mandatory from the university. If you don't watch the YouTube, if you don't watch the lecture video, the university will be in trouble. Okay, so I made this kind of requirements as one of the requirements before you can perform the midterm exam and the final exam. Okay, so before you perform the midterm exam and the final exam, you need to watch the lecture video before. Okay, you need to complete watch them all. Because if not, then the midterm exam and the final exam will not be available for you to complete. Okay. And for the exam, it's online test, so you don't need to come to class to perform the test. And it's available for 5 days. Okay, so midterm exam will be available for 5 days. So it's quite a long period of time for you to perform the test. So if you fail to take the exam, or maybe you forgot, or any reason you have, I will not accept, and you cannot have another chance. Okay, please be careful, and I suggest you to set a reminder on the midterm exam. Okay, it's between November 3rd and 7th. Okay, you can set the reminder now. It's okay. Okay, and now for the final report. Uh, There will be 5. Okay, the 5 topics in total. This is 1, okay, and this is 2. You can read later. Yes. And then this is topic 3, topic 4, and topic 5. Okay, for the final report. And we will do a random pickup for the topic. Okay, so you cannot choose your topic. We will do randomly pick up the topic. And for final report, you will be needed to form a group, whether it's 1 or 2 people, okay? 2 people maximum. So if you cannot find any friend, or you want to be your teammates, then it's okay to be, it's only you. And then later today, you will need to schedule your group to present the report between December 4 and December 18. Okay, I will open the Google spreadsheet for you, which is available in the Moodle platform iLearning. And then you can use your iPad or laptop or smartphone. But I guess for the smartphone, you need to open using browser. Okay. Do not use Moodle application. The Moodle apps will prevent you to type in your name in the schedule sheet. So you can prepare for now. Okay. And then after you design the schedule, changing the schedule is not allowed because it will affect the other groups. Just in case you need to change your schedule, you need to find the other groups who want to replace your spot. Okay. And on the presentation day, all group members must be present and participate in the presentation. Okay. If only one member attends, the absent members will not receive a grade. Okay. Sorry. So I expect all the group members who present on that day to come to class, to attend the class. Okay. And the other groups who are not presenting, okay, the other groups who are not presenting on the presentation day are allowed not to attend the class. Okay, for example, your group present on December 4, and then you only need to come on December 4. December 11 and December 18, you don't need to come. Okay, understand? And I saw some of the students. Okay, one group consists of 2 students. Student A, she responsible for the PPT, and then student B, he responsible for the presentation. I will not accept this kind of situation, okay? This kind of responsibility. I need you, both of you, both of the members to be involved in the presentation, okay? So it's not only the one members who's speaking during the presentation. I expect both of the members who speak during the presentation, okay? So both of the students, both of the members. Okay, I hope that clear enough for you. And then for the final report assessment, as you can read by yourself here, try your best to reach the excellent criteria. Okay. Try your best. Some students ask me, teacher, can we prepare a manuscript for the presentation? I said, yes, you can prepare the manuscript for the presentation. But there's a but please do not read the text whole time. Okay, try not to read the text the whole time. You need to make a good eye contact with the audience. Okay. I think it's very easy because nowadays you can use ChatGPT to make your PPT. You can also use ChatGPT to make the manuscript, right? So reading it during the presentation is very easy. So I don't expect my students to be like that. Try your best to make a contact eye with the audience. Okay. Try to avoid reading the text the whole time. And then for final term exam, it's the same. Will be available for 5 days. So if you fail to take the exam or you forgot or any reason you have, then I will not accept the reason. Okay, you don't have any other chance to perform the exam. Okay. The next requirement. Okay, once again, the lecture video is mandatory for you to watch because it's one of the requirements for you before you can perform the exam. So if you skip to watch the video, there will be, it means that you will skip the final exam and midterm exam. I will give you, I will fail you the course. It will, you fail the course, okay? And then please do a regular login, okay? To keep you on track, you know. So you won't miss any exam or miss any assignments. And then no late submissions, no late submissions. Or please try to submit before the deadline. Okay. Right. So this is the schedule of our class. So basically, we are here in the 18th of September, the second week of the semester. And then starting next week, the class will be distance. It means you just need to check the platforms to study by yourself. Okay, watch the lecture video and read the PPT slides from me. Okay, and then starting from December 4th, we will start the final report sessions. This is first week. The second week will be 11th of December, and the third week will be 18th of December. Okay, do you have any question? 有没有问题？问题吗？有问题吗？ No, you should answer me 没有，没有老师。Okay. Then I will show you the iLearning. Okay. This is Introduction to Information Management. English. Okay, now this is how you can do with the iLearning. Okay, from the left side, as you can see, there's a general tab here. If you have any questions, you can post here. Okay, questions from students, and then you add discussion topic, the subject, and then your questions. I will respond immediately. Okay. This forum is to prevent students to asking the same question. Okay, so before you ask questions, you may read the questions that has been asked by your classmates. Okay, and then this is last week. Okay, this is the course introductions that I just showed you, the PPT slides. If you want to read the final assessment criteria, or you want to check another requirements that needs to be pay attention, then you can click here. And then this is 15 September. Okay, now. Okay, later I will open this schedule sheet for you. Okay, so we have December 4, December 11, and 18. And then you write down your student name and student ID numbers. We have 10 groups for 1 week. Okay, so you can choose which schedule you want uh, to do your presentation. It's later, okay, later. And then starting next week, you will watch the lecture video, okay, here. The video is already here, okay? And then assignments, okay? Starting next week, there will be assignments. So basically, it's just study case questions, okay? It's a study case question. Okay, and then, okay, so this is the topics that I was talking about. The topic, okay, we have total of 4 topic discussions, and this is the first one. This is also a study case questions. You need to watch this YouTube video first, and then you can answer the following study case question. Okay, just reply and answer. Okay, it's quite simple. And we have total of, this is second topic, third topics, and 4 topics. Okay, so we have total of 4 topics. Okay, and now the final report. Okay, final report. If you present on the first week, please submit your report file here. Okay, here, week 1. If you present on the second week, then submit here, week 2, and so on. Okay, and please submit before the presentation day, at least 1 day before you present. Okay, please submit at least 1 day before you present. Okay, and here during the 3rd November, there will be an exam, written exam, but since I haven't set it up yet, so it's not here yet. Okay. Also the final exam, also I haven't not set it yet, so later. Okay. And I guess we have a group chat. Okay, group chat. So if there's any latest announcement, I will just post here. Okay. Okay. Mhm. Any question? No? Then if you don't have any question, you can be ready to log into your iLearning and log in, and then you can open with your browser. Yeah, log into your iLearning, and you can start to fill in the schedule. Okay, so yeah, you can start now. Any problems? No?
This microphone will test.
Sure.
Sure. So, no. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I presume that you already scanned the QR code. Now, let me continue. Okay, so please check once again the schedule sheet just in case that your name was removed by the other person. Okay, once again, check. Okay, this is December 4th. December 4th. Okay, December 4th. And then December 11th. Okay, group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, your name's still there, right? And then December 18th. Okay, we still have 2 slots for December 18th. So let's see if the other students fail to come today. Okay, so 没有问题吗？没有，没有。Okay, right. So okay, so once again, I will expect the groups who are presenting on that day to come. So the other groups who are not presenting on this day, it's okay for you not to attend the class, okay? Now let me continue. If you don't have any questions, then let me start the chapter 1, okay, for this course. Information system in digital age. Okay, so I will play a YouTube video for you. Okay, wait. So before I play the YouTube video for you, I would like to ask you some questions. Do you shop more in online store? Yes. Yes. Is there any of you shop in a physical store? You go to the shopping mall to buy clothes, buy shoes? Yes. Okay, so there's still some of you preferring physical store rather than the online stores, right? So, you know, uh, we experience the COVID-19, okay, outbreaks of COVID-19, and the society, the people now, they shop at online stores more rather than the physical stores, right? So now, after the COVID-19 vanished, I hope it's vanished. After the COVID-19 outbreaks, some people will go to the physical stores, but some others still prefer the online stores. Yes? Yes. So the physical stores, they try to fighting back. They try to fighting back to get their customers back. Because people are nowadays prefer shopping online rather than going to the stores, right? And one way to create the customers to coming back is to offering the customers what is called in-store experience. Okay, in-store experience. So what is the in-store experience? So in-store experience here is that the people have a more engaging way with the technology, with the shopping activity. So it's not just you come to the store and then you pick up the clothes that interested for you and then you try it on. No, it's more than that. Okay. So here there's a technology called AWM Smart Shelves. And this is how the physical stores try to get back their customers to come to the stores. Okay. So let's check this video together.